Welcome to the Parasites simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate the anatomy of 3 different common parasites: fleas, ticks, and lice. You'll then use a dichotomous key to identify the genera of the parasite. Begin by selecting either the practice or test modes. The practice mode provides you with feedback, while the test mode offers none. Select one of the buttons at the bottom of the screen listing the 3 parasites displayed on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions that appear after a brief delay. After completing a given step, the next instruction will shortly appear. Select the numbered buttons 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the right side of the screen, view a specific organism characteristic, and the genera of the parasite that do and do not contain the displayed characteristics shown on the screen. After reviewing the information on the right side of the screen, select the Identify button in the middle of the screen. From the list on the right side of the screen, select the organism that matches the displayed characteristics. Choose the Answer button to evaluate your response. Select the Exit button to view a different parasite.